look how leveled out this whole area is at this point. Yeah, but it's going to come back. It's going to require some water. It's going to take some help from Mother Nature. And, so what if you had a native plant? The plan is to put a
So, okay, right here, this row of trees was planted and a lot of undergrowth, elderberry, toyon, golden currant, dozens of other plants were planted in here as mitigation when the Tillman plant finally had the brains to put their effluent pipe downstream of the dam instead of upstream of the dam, so that they could actually use it when it flooded. And that was a few years after, a couple decades after they built the plant before they figured that out, or got fined or told to, or whatever. Anyway, so this was all planted as part of mitigation on a 3 to 1 basis. That the Corps of Engineers determined the value of the habitat that was here that was destroyed for that pipeline. So what happened to that 3 to 1 basis now? So technically they should revegetate 150 acres somewhere.
Are these natives, the ones that are left?
Most of them are. The ones with some leaves are the invasive ash, but you got some nice willows there, and you got some nice sycamores. And that's the native man.
Well, they're
To inspect and monitor their every place else and here for a 50-foot area, and that's all they need. So the dam operator
Does everybody know that this is happening the LA River and maybe have a program both now and later so the public can see the
I don't want to stay here all day. We want to go in the